Welcome back, guys. I'm here at my shop. Inside the booth we have the 1969 Camaro. We're here in the spray booth. We got the Camaro almost about ready. Just going over the body work. Couple minor details I gotta get done. Alright, so somebody had already sanded down the Camaro with the 500 grit. I'm going over it again because there was a lot of glossy spots, as you can see on the hood. I already got the whole driver's side pretty much finished. I hit the trunk. Alright, so this is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. It's pretty soft. There's barely visible any shiny spots. That's what you mainly want to get rid of. See, on the passenger side there's quite some more, especially in the hood over here on the fender. See how it's just not equal. That's more over here. Alright, so the sanding is done. Give it a quick rinse. So here we have, it's pretty much done. All sanded down. Alright, so the Camaro's just ready. All the paint is done. Now it's gonna be time for the cut and buff. I already have the whole front end. I just need the other side on the fender. I came down back to the door and to the quarter panel. After this, I am gonna go hit it with a lighter grit sandpaper. Alright, so the water sanding is done. Alright, so I'm starting the process out here in the trunk, and I'm just gonna work myself to the front of the car. That's it right now so far. Alright, as you can see, I got the whole car going. I used a couple different compounds. I'm using the polish right now. Gonna finish her up. Gonna give the whole car a quick pass with the third step. Alright, so there's step 2 complete. Obviously there's a bunch of dust from the compound and all that, but this is step 2 and I'm gonna start step 3. This is just to get you an idea of how it looks now, how it's gonna look with the step 3. Alright, so all the buffing is done. I'm gonna give it a quick rinse. That way you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so that concludes the video for the Camaro project. I didn't have enough time to record the assembly, but it's all assembled, all done. So enjoy the cinematic video. I'm gonna do a walk around and then enjoy the rest.